Okay, so today in my video, I am going to be showing you guys all my squishies and fidgets. I have a couple, I would say. I have a bin. My room is a mess. We're organizing it. I'm sorry if it's kind of a mess. But I have like slime too. I have a lot of stuff. Let's get into the video. Okay. So first, let's start out. Like I'm bleeding. Don't think you guys could see. Oh well. Yeah. Fidget. So this is my first fidget I ever got. I don't know when I got this. It's just fun. So like, watch. There's an open hole. I can move it, and once like people mix it up, like blacks and blues, so I have to move, and then that's black and black, so I put black in there, blue and no color, so blue's right there, so I'm gonna move blue to the blue, and that's all. Like, yeah. So that's my first fidget. I got this one at Valentine's. It's very stretchy. My brother William got this too. It's loud. I have this little ball. I don't know if it's really a fidget, but I don't know when I got this. Like, maybe I got it when I was like 5. So 3 years ago. And then I have a fidget spinner. Don't know when I got this either. I got this like 2 months ago, maybe. I love that fidget. I have this thing. Whenever they pop up, you try and click the ones that pop up. Yeah. And then I have, this was the first Gooey Goo I got from Sailor Stratter. You should go watch that video. Well, this is the one I opened in my video. This one was the third one I got. This one's the second one I got. Yeah, that's everything for my fidget. It's not a lot, but kind of a lot. Okay. Then here are all of my pop-ups. By pop-ups, I mean these, where they pop. So this is a milk carton with cookies. They're super fun. Got this at Valentine's. Turtle one. Don't know when I got this one. Maybe, I think I got that for my birthday. And I think I got this one for my birthday. This one for my birthday. And this one for my birthday, I think. I don't know when I got them. And then this one for Valentine's Day. I don't know if I told you I got this one for Valentine's Day too. I didn't tell you what these are. Toaster and toast and toaster. Turtle. Unicorn. Mouse and cheese. Cat and cup. So those are the pop-ups. I call them pop-ups. I don't know why, but they're just like pop-ups, so I call them pop-ups. Here's the fun part. I love table squishies. This is the first one I ever got. It kind of smells like cherries. I like them. They're super fun. I love table squishies, and I have these table squishies. Super soft. Have these tab of squishies. I don't know if you can see here. I'll show you these ones. I think you can see these ones right here. Here's 1. Here's 2. Here's 3. Here's 4. And then this one's a pop. You can see that one. But I don't think you can see the ones with me. So let me open this. The song stuck in my head because it's all over YouTube right now. A flow. I have that song. I think that's how it goes. I have that song stuck in my head. This one's a heart. Puppy paw. Heart. Bow. Pineapple and drink, I think. Pineapple and drink, I think. They kind of rhyme. Let me just put these away. You can skip for me. Well, I'm already done, so you don't have to. Oh, and then I have this. It's kind of like block jam. Have you ever heard of that app? I think it's called block jam. I don't know. Those are all my Tabba squishies. I need more room. I have a couple Tabba squishies. I love Tabba squishies. I think all of those are Tabba squishies, really. This is I got a dumpling. This is I think this was my second dumpling. I only have 2 to 3 dumplings, but I can't find the third one. Okay, guess what color it will be in the comments. 3, 2, 1. Purple! Sorry, I still believe in monsters. Not really, but I've been watching Life of Luxury and they give me nightmares. Purple dumpling. This one was my first dumpling ever, and you're gonna be really surprised what it was. You know those tie-dye ones? Those were the secret ones back then. Now they're the glitter ones, so you have to believe me, okay? Guess what it's gonna be? Probably no, because I might have just said 3, 2, 1. Dun, dun, dun. I got this secret, and I'm not joking. This was my first one. This was literally my first one. And I was like, ah! Because I was so excited. I got this for my birthday. And I was like, oh my gosh, whoever got this for me, I am so lucky. So cool. I love this dumpling. It's literally, it's actually not one of my favorites. It is my favorite. And then here's the dumpling. See, I have the other box that I don't know which one it goes in. And then I just have fidgets in here, like little ducks. I keep ducks and marbles in them. This is what I do with them. It's just a satisfying way, so I keep them in my fidget box. Okay. Oh, I'll show you my favorites later. And then this is the random area. This is a soft. Hi.
Sorry, William.
Again. This is a soft squishy. It's very squishy. This one's like just another squishy. It's very squishy and soft. Yeah. Okay, and now here's my favorite. So this is gumdrop needle, I think. Pretty sure. It's one of my favorites. I love the texture. Love how it's glittery inside. I only have 3 needles, but yeah. I like this one because I like the sound and it makes a little bubble. It's kind of cool. And it's a donut. And everybody likes donuts. It's a bow bottle when I got this. I got this from Dollar Tree vending machine. Yeah. It's super squishy. Let me put this back in here. I painted this. My mom got it for me for Valentine's. That's why it's a heart, of course. And then this heart. This rainbow, not heart. if we already finished talking about the heart. Those are my favorites. And then this I got for Valentine's. You can probably tell why, because it's literally a heart-shaped box, and it has squishies in them. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 squishies. There's a heart, a strawberry, a bear, a rose, a bow, a mail letter, macaron, I don't know, a heart, yeah. Oh, and then one of these, my mom hates it. She gets scared by it. Like, there's nothing scary about it. If my mom watching this video and she heard that, here you go. Here's your little surprise. And then here's one. I like this squishy. It's pretty fun. Whee. And then here's my biggest squishy. Yeah, I don't know when I got it. Well, I think I got that at like a fair. I don't know. And here are all my like squishies that, like, you'll see what I mean. Like these type of squishies, those type of squishies, how they feel. I think you know how they feel, because a lot of people have these type of squishies. So a dolphin, another dolphin, snitch, I think, yeah. Got this for Valentine's. I got this for Valentine's. Chocolate kisses. Unicorn. Yeah. I think this one was the gumdrop one, actually. I don't think those ones are the gumdrop ones. I don't know. I'm not the best at squishies. So, like this.
I'll do that
Hi.
at home, and it's like, oh,
What?
man. Do you want to pause?
We can't pause.
Oh, okay. Well, I was sticky diaper in my hand.
Sticky diaper. It's okay. They don't care.
Okay, good.
All right? You guys don't care. Here's my other gumdrop needle. It's blue. It's very hard. I literally have to. I can't squish it doing this, right? No. It's it. Okay, this is how it looks, just to let you know. Now I'm gonna squish it on the ground. Let's see if it turns flat. Yep. So that's the only way I can do it. I gotta get it back to shape. Looks kind of weird. Ah! Then whatever. Okay, these are the last squishies. Okay, so this is a really, really squishy. It has that like shiny stuff. Looks like a hedgehog, kinda. And then I have this thing. It's a donut squishy. I have this thing, and this thing. And that's it for our squishy video. I'm so glad if you guys like this video, because it was super duper fun for me. And maybe I'll do it like soon. You guys should go check out some other videos. I think I'm posting some pretty soon. But yeah, let's go. Bye-bye.